So everybody who said and doubted us, this episode's for you. I hope you enjoy it. And yeah, this one's for you.
All my life, been grinding all my life. Sacrifice, hustle paid the price. Want a slice, got to roll the dice, that's why. All my life, I've been grinding all my life. Look, all my life, been grinding all my life. Sacrifice, hustle paid the price. Want a slice, got to roll the dice, that's why. All my life, I've been grinding all my life. Look, I'm married to this game, that's who I made my wife. Said I die alone, I told that.
So the last time that we filmed was that talk that I gave at Jackson Community College, and to an entrepreneurship class. We were asked to go and talk. I'll show a little clip of that right now. I get where you're going. Okay, so the question is when we get to a point to where we reach our heights, how are we going to keep the culture? Okay, so let's look at some other big companies, for example. But the cool thing about that talk was I think it put more fuel to the fire of what we were doing, and it really motivated a lot of other people, not just my team, but it motivated other people to want to see what we were doing and what we were working on. So I know we haven't been on in a while, but making this new video, making this episode 5 is so important because we need to get back on track. We need to film, and we just need to document for you guys what we're doing. And by you guys seeing from A to B with the company, and I think that's super important because also too, when Ziff gets to a point to where it's it's something that we could have never imagined that it would be, people are going to look back and be like, well, how did you guys do it? And it's going to be so cool because we'll have a library of videos for you guys to look at from the first time that we started filming. Even when I was filming on my own, before I had other help, vlogging with us and filming with us, like my sister, and I had some other people help out. But it's just so awesome to see us get to this next level, finally getting into Detroit, making an impact in Detroit, not just our community, but other communities. And I finally know why, the reason why we're going to succeed. And the reason why we're going to succeed is because my team and I, we're not afraid to roll up our sleeves and get dirty. And I think that is something that you cannot teach in business. You can't teach that in life. And we're just not afraid to roll up our sleeves and get our hands dirty. And I think that's what separates us from other startups. So
It's just the beginning too. Yeah, come on. I ain't going back. Split 5 and make doubles. I ain't going back. To when there was no rush, just rustle. I ain't going back. To when my pride so much let the puddle. I ain't going back. But I stay tapped into that hustle. I ain't going back. Split
me and Serena,
we're
we're headed to our meeting.
When there was no rush, just rustle. I ain't going back.
Michael's already there.
And we can't film this session, unfortunately, but we will meet you guys on the other end when we are done. See you in a little bit.
I ain't going back. Split 5 and make doubles. I ain't going back. To when there was no rush, just rustle. I ain't going back.
The building that you really liked, what would it be? Like if you thought it would be a good fit for us.
I think so. It's right downtown Detroit.
Okay. I mean, like the office though itself, besides it being downtown, like do you think it's comfortable? Do you think it's a place that you could see us there for like 3 years?
Definitely, it's quiet. It's quiet in there, nice and quiet. You can concentrate on what you're doing and just really focus.
Yeah. Yeah, Detroit's a beautiful city. They're definitely making a comeback, in my opinion. And it's like all the renovations that they're trying to do with like all the restaurants and the hotels and the stadium, the arena that they built. They're really trying to reconstruct down here, which is good though, because they need it,
Michael, this is like second
second nature to you, huh? Driving down here, this area.
Oh yeah, he's used to this. That's dope.
Not leasing.
Studio bedroom. That's savage, dude. That's something like we would do, and then we wouldn't have to. We could fucking just walk to work. You know what I mean? That's right there. Take a Lime to work. That'd be sick.
I thought it was super nice inside. It's a really good workspace. The environment is awesome. You can tell that they're actually there to help you grow. It's like literally in the heart of Detroit, and the best part about it is that there's so many businesses around here. You got to think about all the employees that work at these food shops and the banks and the parking lots and everything. Like, they break their phones. We're right here. We can come service them at their job. You know what I mean? Like, super, like, there's a lot of potential in this area. Like, a lot of potential in this area. For sure. Yeah. I mean, I believed it. For sure. Like, I was just waiting for it to happen. And now that it's happening, it's like, yeah, let's go.
It's surreal.
It's surreal. It's
surreal?
like, yeah, let's go. You know what I mean? It's not like I didn't believe it wasn't going to happen, because, like, usually what you say, we end up doing. So that's why I was just like, all right, we're going to go to Detroit. Let's go to Detroit. Like, and then now we're looking for offices over here. Like, it's fucking crazy.
Yeah, it's nuts.
I remember waking up at like 7:30, 8 o'clock in the morning in my pajamas, answering the door to a customer for Gearvana to fix their cell phone. And now we're in Detroit looking for a space.
Yeah.
It's crazy.
Yeah. This is an untapped market out here. And, you know, there's other cell phone repair shops, but mobile repair is going to be a game changer for everybody. Like, how are we going to be able to adapt to that? You're just going to have to, unfortunately.
Yeah.
Because when you
Times
can,
change and you
because
have
when
to
you can
adapt.
get a cheap repair done, but a good quality part and a good warranty, knowing that we back the work, and we're killing every other repair shop out there with our pricing because we have no overhead, they're not going to be able to compete with us.
Yeah.
And we come to you. So take that to the bank. I really feel like the content that we're putting out and showing you guys everything that we're doing from now on out is proof. And I don't care. We don't have to prove ourselves to you. It's just we're showing you, like, we're doing it. Like, there's a difference between talking the talk and then talking the talk and walking the walk. We're doing both. Like, I don't get where the stigma is and negativity towards us has ever came from, or if anybody ever talks down about what we're doing or about our company. But to me, it's kind of like, fuck you. I don't care. Like, we're out here building, we're out here actually doing, we're out here actually working. The time that we put in that nobody sees, the hours that we put in, the effort that we put in, it now that I'm here and now that I finally saw the offices versus seeing them online and talking to you know, Pierre through the email and stuff, it really opens up my eyes as, like, we're literally on the cusp of doing something really big here, especially in Detroit.
Pull up in motorcades, I got a show today. It's all I'm trying to do, hustle and motivate. Choppers a throwaway, hustle the overweight. That's why they follow me, huh? They think I know the way, cause I took control of things, ballin' the solo way. And if you pattern my trend, I make you my protege. Slossin' that soldier race, don't know them days. Take you in back of the buildings, make you expose your rage. Take you across the tracks, make you explode the face.